see green on the screen. Dow's up 140, Nasdaq's up 120 points. David Nicholas joining me now. I want to talk Bitcoin. It's seen a number of big drops recently. At one point, it was below 85,000 bucks. Now it's at 87.9. When do we get the big rebound? I mean, the record high was, what, $126,000 a coin or something? And that was, what, 4 months ago? When do we rebound to that level, if ever?
Yeah, this has been a strange sell-off, but there's a lot of technical support right here between 80 and 85,000. So I think this is the bottom. I think we have a short-term bottom here. And yeah, it's a good question. When do we see the big recovery? I'd love to see it before the end of the year, but given just the timing, given the technicals, it's probably first part of the year of 2026. So I'd say end of January, mid-February, we could see Bitcoin back to all-time highs. So that's the reality with these support levels. I think you get a Fed. We already talked about there's some positive momentum at the Fed. You get liquidity. I think this price heads back up to all-time highs, Stuart.
Got it. Why do you say that Google is the best Mag 7 stock to buy right now?
Yeah, there's a lot of concern that it said AI was going to replace search. Well, what we're finding out is actually Google's not-so-secret weapon is their search. Google has over 2 billion people with eyes on them every day through search. OpenAI has about 500 million. And what we've seen is Google able, with their Gemini rollout, Stuart, it's been pretty incredible. And so I actually think just based on the balance sheet strength of Google, if you just compare the two, OpenAI is hoping for 20 billion of revenue this year, 200 billion in revenue by 2030. Google already has 400 billion of revenue today, 80 billion of free cash flow. They can spend. And I think that's OpenAI's biggest threat, that Google has the balance sheet to spend and really compete in the AI space.
You think that just Gemini is a better AI operation?
Well, my 8-year-old daughter, who likes to make fairy pictures on ChatGPT, she goes, "Daddy, ChatGPT is too slow. Gemini is a lot better." So, hey, from the mouth of my 8-year-old, she proves that I think Gemini is actually getting a leg up currently on ChatGPT. I think you'll see that ultimately in the earnings.
That's fascinating. Thanks for joining us. Always appreciate it, David. We'll see you again later. Coming up.
Thanks, Stuart.
New York City.